Great investment opportunity in Costa Rica of a sustainable 525 acres cattle farm. With a topography of smooth rolling hills, with lots of pasture and internal roads. Planted with Brachyura grass, and capacity to maintain up to 400 cows a year. Located in the central Pacific area of the country, at only 45 minutes south of Jaco Beach and 60 minutes from Los Sueños Marina and Marriott Hotel, and 90 minutes from Marina Pez Vela. With public utilities available at the property, such as electricity in front of the public road, with cell telephone reception available, spring drinking water located within the same property and public road frontage of more than 2 kilometers. There is never the need to move livestock because of the lack of water. The land is gently sloped and usable. There is primary forest at the top of the ranch. Inside the property is an old road that exists and runs through the ranch. This road can be easily cleaned up for continued use. All the working pastures are perfectly fenced and segregated around the different water sources. There is never the need to move livestock because of the lack of water. The land is gently sloped and usable. There is primary forest at the top of the ranch, in order to protect the natural water sources, with excellent volume spread throughout the farm, with an existing old road that runs through the ranch. This road can be easily cleaned up for continued use. All the working pastures are perfectly fenced and segregated around the farm. Key features: small rural village at only 2 kilometers away from the property. With lots of wildlife, such as wild cats, birds, monkeys, and much more. Small creek within the same property. 33 kilometers from banks, mail office, supermarkets, and health clinics at Jaco Beach town. Undulated terrain ready to build or subdivide into small parcels. The property holds a clear title, and it is totally surveyed. It is for this and much more that this property is one of the best options you can find in Costa Rica today's real estate market, and in addition to the great location that will immediately makes this property one of the best buy. With a beautiful waterfall in the middle of the property that never dry. Ideally area to build an eco-lodge hotel or similar, and generate walking path to the forest and waterfall. Horseback riding is a most in this marvelous place.